रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बिश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। ऐ मेरे परवरदिगार, मेरा सीना खोल दे और मेरे काम को मेरे लिए आसान कर दे और मेरी ज़ुबान की गिरा सुलझा दे ताकि लोग मेरी बात समझ सकें। रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा, माई लॉर्ड increase me in knowledge. Dear students, in previous lectures we discussed gaseous state of matter and liquid state of matter and their properties. In gaseous state we have studied that the gas molecules that make up a gas fly in all directions at a great speed. They are so far apart that the attractive forces between them are insignificant. But in liquids, the molecules that make up a liquid flow easily around one another. They are kept from flying apart by attractive forces between them. Liquid assumes the shape of the container in which they are placed. Today, our topic is solid state. The molecules that make up a solid are arranged in a regular repeating pattern. They are held firmly in a place but can vibrate within a limited area. Today, solid state and its typical properties. Solid is composed of tightly packed particles. A solid will retain its shape. The particles are not free to move around. They only vibrate about their fixed positions, so solids are incompressible and do not flow. कि हमने सॉलिड्स की डेफिनेशन पढ़ी, उसके मुताबिक ये हुआ कि सॉलिड के जो पार्टिकल्स हैं वो टाइटली पैक होते हैं, वो अपनी शक्ल को बरकरार रखते हैं, वो फ्रीली मूव नहीं कर सकते बल्कि वो अपनी एक फिक्स जगह पे वाइब्रेट करते हैं और इसी वजह से सॉलिड्स को हम कंप्रेस भी नहीं कर सकते और वो फ्लो भी नहीं करते। सो द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ सॉलिड इज one of the properties melting of solid. When a solid is heated, the kinetic energy of particles increases, so they start to move rapidly. जब हम किसी सॉलिड को गर्म करते हैं तो ये हमने पीछे भी पढ़ा है कि जब भी टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करेंगे तो मॉलिक्यूल्स की काइनेटिक एनर्जी बढ़ना शुरू हो जाती है। तो इसी तरह से जब हम सॉलिड्स को गर्म करते हैं तो उनकी भी काइनेटिक एनर्जी इंक्रीज होती है। एक मखसूस टेम्परेचर पर जाकर सॉलिड के पार्टिकल्स की अरेंजमेंट है जो भी हमने पढ़ा कि वो एक स्पेसिफिक अरेंजमेंट में होते हैं, वो उनकी ब्रेक डाउन होना शुरू। एट अ सर्टेन टेम्परेचर पार्टिकल्स अरेंजमेंट ब्रेक्स डाउन एंड सॉलिड मेल्ट्स। लुक एट दिस डायग्राम. This is in solid state. We started heated. At certain temperature, the arrangement of particles as shown in this diagram is changed over here. It means there is some solid and some liquid. But by increasing temperature, its state totally changed. Its arrangement totally changed and is converted to liquid. This bar shows that temperature is increasing. The melting point of substance is the temperature at which it changes from solid to liquid. Melting point किसी भी substance का वो temperature है जिस पे कोई solid liquid में change हो जाए. At melting point, the solid and liquid exist in equilibrium. The melting point of a substance depends on pressure and is usually specified at a standard pressure such as 1 atm or 101.325 kPa. However, here I written 100 kPa. It is exactly 101.325 kPa. Then the next property of liquid of solid when it is converted to liquid is the freezing point. The freezing point of water, the temperature at which water changes from liquid to a solid, is called freezing point. Normally it is 0 degree centigrade or 32 degree Fahrenheit. On cooling, the liquid freezes. Freezing is the reverse of melting. We can define it as the temperature at which a liquid changes into solid is called freezing point. Look at this diagram. We shall discuss another property of solid. Here you can see we have placed ammonium chloride in china dish. This is ammonium chloride and this one is china dish. Here is a burner and stand. This is then there is a funnel and it is a cotton plug. When we start heating, this ammonium chloride changes into vapors directly and is condensed over here. This property of some solid is called sublimation. Sublimation is a type of phase transition. Phase transition means conversion of one state of matter to other. Solid to liquid or liquid to gas or directly solid from gaseous state or change in a state of matter just like melting, freezing and evaporation. Through sublimation, a substance changes from a solid to gaseous without ever passing through a liquid phase. It means these solids directly change from solid to liquid. Examples of substances which sublime, that is iodine, common example benzoic acid, ammonium chloride, etc. Dear students, in the next lesson we shall